The DJI Mini series has become a top choice for compact drone enthusiasts, offering a perfect mix of power, portability, and affordability. These small but mighty drones prove you don't need a large, bulky device to capture stunning aerial footage. Whether you're a casual hobbyist or a professional content creator, DJI Mini drones deliver impressive performance and convenience, solidifying their place as favorites in the drone community. The DJI Mini 3 Pro set a high bar when it launched, earning praise for its advanced features packed into a lightweight and portable design. It raised the standard for what a compact drone could achieve. However, the Mini 4 Pro didn't generate the same level of excitement. While fans hoped for major upgrades, the improvements were minor, leaving many underwhelmed. Now, all eyes are on the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro, which promises to take the series to the next level. This highly anticipated release is expected to deliver significant advancements, creating a buzz among drone enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the Mini 5 Pro is its upgraded camera system. DJI has a reputation for equipping its drones with powerful cameras, and this model takes things further. The Mini 5 Pro boasts a larger 1-inch camera sensor, a significant leap from its predecessors. This improvement means sharper details, richer colors, and enhanced performance in low-light settings. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or flying at dusk, this upgrade ensures top-tier image quality. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro can record video in 6K resolution at 30 frames per second, a major improvement over the 4K capabilities of earlier models. This higher resolution provides highly detailed footage and allows greater flexibility during editing, making it an excellent choice for both casual users and professionals. The improved camera is likely to attract creators looking to produce cinematic content without investing in a larger, more expensive drone. Safety and precision are also key areas where the Mini 5 Pro shines. For the first time in the series, it features a 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system. This advanced technology enables the drone to detect and avoid obstacles from all directions, significantly reducing the risk of crashes. This feature is especially valuable for beginners who may lack experience navigating drones in complex environments. On top of that, the Mini 5 Pro introduces AI-powered cinematic modes, making it easier than ever to capture professional quality footage. These modes automatically adjust settings to suit the scene, whether you're filming a moving subject or a sweeping landscape. With minimal input required, the AI ensures smooth and visually stunning results, making it accessible even for those new to drone photography. Portability remains a hallmark of the DJI Mini series, and the Mini 5 Pro continues this tradition. Weighing under 250 grams, it doesn't require special FAA registration for recreational use, keeping things simple for casual pilots. Despite its lightweight design, the drone is built to handle challenging conditions. With improved wind resistance and stability, the Mini 5 Pro performs reliably even in breezy or rugged environments, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. Another exciting feature is its enhanced smart object tracking. This function allows the drone to lock onto and follow moving subjects with remarkable precision. Whether you're filming action-packed activities like cycling or capturing moments from group events, the Mini 5 Pro excels at keeping your subject in focus. Advanced algorithms ensure that the subject stays centered, letting you capture dynamic footage without needing constant manual control. The Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be the ultimate compact drone, blending power, portability, and innovation. From its upgraded camera system and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance to its lightweight design and smart tracking features, this drone caters to both beginners and professionals. It provides the tools needed to capture breathtaking aerial footage with ease. As the release date approaches, excitement for the Mini 5 Pro continues to grow. Many enthusiasts are calling it a potential game changer in the compact drone market. Whether you're a recreational user or a seasoned content creator, this drone promises to deliver an unparalleled experience, solidifying the DJI Mini series as a leader in the industry.